Hey everybody, today I have an update on the Project Merkur XR4Ti. We were getting this thing prepped for an LS swap. Got all this junk in here. We have decided to scrap those plans. I got the engine removed and everything, but I have been posed a challenge by one of my vendors that's in the EV industry, and they are challenging me to do an EV conversion in this car. And as far as I've seen, there aren't any other EV Merkurs or Sierras that I've seen. There might be some out there. So if there are, please let me know. So what we're gonna do is remove the remaining internal combustion engine components from this car. So we'll go with the exhaust, and the engine's already gone. We may keep the radiator if we wanna run heater and all that stuff, but there's lots of things in here that we can take out that we're not going to need, and we're going to do away with a lot of the wiring just because we're going to try and make it really simple when we reinstall everything, headlights and all that stuff. I am in the market for a Cosworth wing if anyone has a lead on one of those. I haven't seen one in a long time. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna post a video, I think tomorrow or the next day, showing all these components getting removed. We've got some stuff down here to remove. Gas tank will come out too. So yeah, it should be fun. Hopefully we'll make some good progress in the next couple days. You guys take it easy.